We are about to start the first process of the paint restore. Give it a nice wash, remove all the dirt and debris off of it. This is the before. It's my little cousin right there. Stay tuned for the next step.
From here, it's pretty noticeable.
Today we're working on doing the rest of the compound and cleaning the interior of the car. As you can see, I don't know, you can tell the difference from what it looks like. Oh yeah, you can definitely tell the difference. So we got about half the car left to do. Pulling out all the seats, steam cleaning everything. Get rid of this ugly ass wheel. Update the gauges. Taking out this big ass tack from the Fast and the Furious days. Maybe install a new head unit. I don't know. Or just keep it OG. Other than that, everything's pretty clean inside this car.
Off of the car.
And we have another problem too. We gotta fucking figure out how to open up this goddamn hatch because something is wrong with the latch. Not so bad. Although a lot of people asking how many miles are on the car. I don't drive it. Original miles on this thing is 70,000 miles on it. We'll keep everyone updated, but this is where we're at for now. And we got this guy right here, just wants to get into everything. Alright guys. That's what you call a different kind of torque steers. Finally got the hatch open. For some reason they like me today. Oh! Go ahead, that'll buff right off. Oh, he did it again. Better lock your ass up, boy.
Oh, man.